guys, my name is Juhaina and today I will be trying out the Paulownia face wipes. These wipes have the cleansing power of a makeup remover with natural ingredients for a complete scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. Another awesome thing about these wipes is that they are completely alcohol free. So with this type of a look, there's a lot of products layered together, and I'm really excited to see how the Paulownia face wipes remove all of this makeup off. Before I get into removing my makeup, I wanted to mention a few amazing things about these wipes. So these wipes come as dry wipes. You have to add water to activate them, which to me is brilliant. How many times have you left a package of makeup wipes and they've completely dried out and are just useless to you? So with this option, all you have to do is add water and you're good to go. Another thing is that these wipes are amazing for traveling or on the go because they're individually packed. You don't need to worry about taking a whole box of makeup wipes or a bottle of makeup remover. This is just one item that you will put into your purse and you're ready to go. So this is what the individual package looks like. I am going to open it and get right into cleaning off this makeup. These are the little makeup wipes in there. So I've added water to the wipes and they're activated now. And I'm going to start with this area. Circular motions when taking off. It definitely feels really smooth on my skin. It doesn't feel irritated because usually with makeup wipes, my skin tends to get irritated really quickly as I'm taking it off. I just have sensitive skin. I also have combination skin, so there's some areas in my skin that are patchy, dry, and some that tend to get more oily. I like to go in the eye area at the end once I'm done with the rest of removing the makeup. And as you can see, the eye area is coming off so nice and smooth, but if you see, almost all of it is already off, which is amazing. I'm still using the same wipe and I've pretty much done all my face. So all the makeup from my eyes has been removed. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my lipstick. Again, I'm still using the same wipe and I have taken off this entire look with this one wipe. My skin feels so fresh and clean right now. I can't wait to add these wipes to my daily skincare routine. These wipes would work really well for me, not only because they do the job so well, but also because I'm somebody that wears a lot of makeup every single day, and I'm so exhausted by the end of the night that I don't want to spend time removing my makeup. I just need to get the job done in one step, and these wipes give me that. But not only that, I also get to have a refreshed, squeaky clean skin. So if you guys are interested, please go visit www.plowipes.com. That is Plowipes.com, and follow their Instagram and Facebook at Plowipes. That is Plowipes. Thanks for watching.